Hi everybody, welcome today to Rime Time. Today we're going to be singing Chat's Pet.
This rhyme is the ET or the et. So I'm wondering if you already know some words that have et. Can you think of any words that have et?
Set,
Set?
met, chat,
Gina?
set, let,
Anybody that has
let,
et? Let.
met,
Awesome.
make.
We're going to sing Chat's Pet and we're going to listen for that et sound. Ready? Here we go.
Oh, my kid brother Chet wants a snake for a pet, but our dad says he won't let him get one. Don't you fret, I told Chet, Mom still hasn't spoken yet, and I'll bet she'll say yes.
You can have one. Do it again.
Oh, my kid brother Chet wants a snake for a pet, but our dad says he won't let him get one.
Don't you fret, I told Chet,
Mom still hasn't spoken yet, and I'll bet she'll say yes.
you can have one. This time we're going to be looking for the et chunk and we're going to circle it. So we're going to sing it and then we'll circle it. Here we go. Oh, my kid brother Chet. I see it.
Chat,
Wants a snake for a pet, but our dad says he won't let him get one. Oh, there's lots of them. Don't you fret,
I
told Chet. Mom still hasn't spoken yet.
and I'll bet
Oh, bet.
she'll say yes. You can have.
I disagree with you on one of them. Look at the last sentence, Eliana. It's supposed to be et. Chet.
Whoopsie daisy, I thought it was just an E.
Okay. Let's read our et words now. Ready? Can you point to them?
Chat,
Pet, let, get, fret, chat, yet. All right, everyone at home, we're going to be doing the making words. So get your letters out and your marker or your pencil, whatever you're using, and we'll see you in just a second. Here we go. Hey friends, we just got done finishing our chat song with the rhyme et. So if you could take the time to get these letters out, you're going to have, of course, our word family, our rhyme et, et, and the letters up there, M, W, G, F, B, Y, L, R, C, P, and then O. So when you're ready, we're going to get started. Make sure you have the et down below. The first word to make is pet. Bring one letter down to make pet. Here we go. Pet. Let's touch it. P, et. Put it together. Pet. Bring that P back up. The next word is let. Please let it snow. I'm sure you've heard that one. Let's bring that L down. Let's touch the onset. L, et, let. Nice work. Bring the L back up. Let's make the word yet. I'm not ready for snow yet. Yet. Let's say the sounds. Y, et, yet. Bring that Y back up. The next word is bet. I bet you know what you'll be for Halloween. Bet. Let's say the sound. B, et, bet. The next word, we use this word a lot. Get. Get. Please get your shoes on. Get. Now look at my G. Look how it's in line. That belly is in line with the E and the T. Check that you have that. Here we go. G, et, get. The next word is met. met. That's right, bring the M down. At, met. Now I'm going to bring a letter down and you're going to tell me the word. Here we go. You bring that letter down too. Let's say that together. Ooh, at, wet. The water was wet. The next word is fret. That means to worry. Please don't fret on your first day of school. Fret. Okay. The next word and our last word we're going to make is comet. Comet. Here we go. Look, our et comes at the end again. Here we go. Let's read it. Et. Comet. Okay, please get your marker out if you have a whiteboard or if you have a piece of paper. We're going to be writing the words that we just made. I'm going to take my letters down so we have enough room. You can do the same thing. Here we go. All right. First word we're going to make and we're going to write is pet. Pet. So here we go. At. Pet. If we were going to draw a line underneath it, you notice the P and the E and the T, they're not flying in the air. They're on the ground. The next word is let. 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 The next word is yet. Now I'm going to draw a line for my yet, because my Y goes like this. Goes down into the basement. Et. Yet. I'm going to draw another line. The next word is bet. I bet you're doing a great job. Bet. The next word we have is get. At. Get. And look at all of these have that rhyme, et. See that, et? If you know et, you know tons of words, don't you? Like met. Let's write that. Et. Met. Wet. Et. Wet. We have two more words to make. Fret, which means to worry. Et. Fret. And our last word is comet. Et. Comet. Ooh, sorry, that looks a little funny down by there, but that's okay. You can see it. Comet. Way to go, you made so many words with et, and then we wrote the words with et. I'm wondering if you can find the et in one of the books that you read today. If you can, I hope you let us know.